Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need clear KPIs and a minimal stack before building. Gather sample data now so you can iterate. Begin by mapping each KPI to a data source and field names, because once done you avoid guessing later. Next, scaffold a simple API endpoint to deliver JSON and wire a placeholder component in your front end to render that JSON. Make sure to set a refresh cadence, 5 minutes for live metrics, hourly for aggregated stats, so the dashboard behaves predictably. Now you construct the pipeline and visual pieces. First, implement ETL, normalize fields, add timestamps, deduplicate events, and write to a dedicated analytics table so queries stay fast. Then create reusable widget components, line chart for trends, table for raw events, numeric KPI cards with thresholds, because modular widgets speed development. Next, wire drill downs and filters so users explore. Make sure to add auth, caching, pagination, and rate limits to keep performance stable as traffic grows. Finish by validating and deploying carefully. Run load and UX tests, compare dashboard numbers to raw logs because accuracy builds trust. Once done, deploy via CI/CD, apply DB migrations, enable backups, and set alerts for failed ETL or high query latency. If something goes wrong, first inspect logs and query execution plans, then check cache hits and data ingestion timestamps. Make sure you can replay a batch or backfill missing events. This resolves most metric gaps quickly and keeps users confident.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.